About. About.
Tell me a story about your childhood.
After. After.
My mom agreed to let me do my chores after the football game ended.
At. At.
Class begins at 7 a.m.
Along. Along.
My dog ran along the track with me.
Above. Above.
Evelyn strung the lights above the patio.
Across. Across.
The duck slid across the frozen pond.
Before. Before.
The church was built before the temple.
By. By.
Put the package by the door so you don't forget to take it with you when you leave.
Below. Below.
We entered the huge basement below the house.
Because of. Because of.
When I first met Amy, I thought she was rich because of the designer purse she carried.
Between. Between.
There was a fence between the two houses.
Behind. Behind.
Eric and Ben found their dog cowering behind the rhododendron bushes.
Beside. Beside.
She sat beside Marie.
Close to. Close to.
My dream is to own a house close to the beach.
Considering. Considering.
Considering the childhood she had, Iris has had an incredibly successful life.
Down. Down.
I walked down the street.
During. During.
Somebody's phone rang during the movie.
Except. Except.
She bought presents for everybody, except for me.
From. From.
Alba's parents immigrated here from Spain.
For. For.
We were in Hawaii for 2 weeks.
Following. Following.
Following the instructions will make building furniture easier.
In. In.
We are in the car parked outside.
Inside. Inside.
A gift was inside the box.
Into. Into.
Lucian had to crawl to get into the tunnel.
In front of. In front of.
I live in front of the supermarket.
Instead of. Instead of.
After comparing prices, Mallory decided she'd have a burger instead of filet mignon.
Like. Like.
This is a story like no other.
Near. Near.
It's important to choose a hotel near the main attractions of the city.
Next to. Next to.
The pizza parlor was next to the movie theater.
On. On.
The pencil is on the table.
Of. Of.
My sister always has a glass of warm milk before she goes to bed.
Off. Off.
The cat jumped off the counter.
Over. Over.
He jumped over the snake.
Outside. Outside.
He was outside the house when the fire began.
Out of. Out of.
I was unable to get out of the appointment.
On behalf of. On behalf of.
The courtier delivered the invitations on behalf of the king and queen.
Past. Past.
They took a walk past the park.
Since. Since.
I don't play soccer since 2016.
To. To.
The flight is going to India.
Through. Through.
There was a tunnel through the mountain.
Toward. Toward.
My mentor always reminds me to keep working toward my goals.
Till. Till.
We waited till Tom arrived to start dinner.
Up. Up.
It is up to us to find the answer.
Under. Under.
The cat is under my chair.
Until. Until.
Don't stop whipping the mixture until soft peaks form.
Upon. Upon.
The decision was based upon two considerations.
Underneath. Underneath.
There was a tunnel running underneath the city.
With. With.
I am with my friends at school.
Within. Within.
The guards ordered the entire town to ride out the siege within the city walls.
Without. Without.
The little girl never went anywhere without her teddy bear.